Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. How we did I did the TA yesterday on PLTR and how I think it's going all the way up to 44 bucks. I did set the buy today, so currently I am holding 400 shares of PLTR, which is a little bit over $10,000. But I already have my limit sell to basically sell half of it for around 44 bucks after it actually hits. But like I said, I'm swing trading this, so I'm gonna be able to sit on this for a little bit. I'm not necessarily looking at selling, calls on this or buying options or things like that. I'm really just kind of waiting on this position to hit. Hopefully it does within the next month or so. I think I forgot what I forgot the date range that I said that I thought PLTR was gonna hit. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm just hoping that it actually goes to a decent amount. If it takes too long, and if it takes too long, and at that point we're only like around the $30, maybe $40 mark, I'll probably just take profit off there and then hold the rest. But yeah, just letting you guys know, I opened the position of over 10K with PLTR and just kind of letting it run until we hit $44.